Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see some reels on technical topics. So in this video is going to be funny as well as knowledge gaining. So let's start. Today's first meme. Okay. I is equals to this while I is not equals to this. So first in first iteration, one is going to add up to 2, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So while loop is not working, so it will give me runtime error. True invented while. Okay, let's see next meme.
मेरे होठों पे तेरे होठों की प्यास ऐसी जगी मन में मेरे भी तन में तेरे भी आग जलने लगी
So in this code there is two for loop. So in first for loop, what will happen? Zero is coming up, and in second for loop is going to completely completely uh, running, completely going to run. So this is perfect meme for outer loop and inner loop, with statement and other logic. Meanwhile, compiler using calculator opens. Okay,
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left.
next meme.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death,
So next meme. So okay.
अरे साला ये तो अलगे फ्रॉड चल रहा है फ्रॉड कैसा फ्रॉड भैया अरे
Yes. In decimal, we add 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. In binary, 1 plus 1 is 0, and we have a carry of 1, so 1 0. And Boolean, 1 plus 1 true or true is going to true. The non-programmer is not going to understand what is happening here. It will return the 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5. Uh, so next meme. Okay. Sometimes it's not syntax but logic that will betray you. Okay. Let's see what's happened in this code. A is equals to 4. Okay. If A mod 2. Okay. Print true. We don't have any condition, further conditions. So what will happen? 4 mod 2 is going to 0, which is false. So this is not going to print. This will print. Let's see by executing. Okay. Let's try. Is equals to 4. Okay. Is uh, a mod 2 print true. Otherwise, else print false. Let's see what's happened. Let's run it. Run this code. Okay, we get the false. I'm right. So next meme.
रिकॉर्ड क्या है मेरी पकड़ दे
What will happen here? A is equals to int 11 or 2. Okay, is it a decimal? Let's see what happened. I don't know. Is equals to in string 11 comma 2, and we will remove this part. And what we have to do? Print a. So run. So it will return. It has written the 3. How? How? Let's see how this code is working. Explain why it is it is returning 3. So okay, step by step explanation. One is a string representation of binary number. Okay, int 11 tells the Python interpreter 11 as a base 2. Okay, binary. Okay, now get the point. It will treat as a binary number. Okay, that's why it is giving the 3. So 1 is 3. So okay, okay. Let me comment. Okay, next meme. Okay, Q. Okay, both guys tried to guess the master plan. Okay, let's look at the code. He was right. He guessed it right. So next meme. Okay, HDD more security. So next meme guys. We seen the binary search algorithm video reel in previous part. So what we do, we divide it in a half, but this is a graphical representation of binary search tree. Uh, let's see today's last meme, second last meme before this meme. If the size is equals to small, move left, else go straight. This is also nice. Firewall, working of firewall. Yeah, firewall is used to stop the threat and viruses, Trojan, malwares. Security layers protect endpoints, cybersecurity is basic. rules can be this is it. Uh, we're done with this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.